10 words a day for beginners. The. Please pass me the salt. I will pick you up at the airport. Of. He is the president of the company. I need a bottle of water, please. And. You and I are friends. I like apples and bananas. He is a doctor. She is a teacher. 2. I go to school. They go to work by car. In. Mark is in bed. They live in an old house. Is. It is a dog. My house is old. You. You are my teacher. I love you. That. Who is that? That is my Uncle Tom. It is hot today. It is 3 o'clock.